Hello, dear students. Welcome back to e-classes of Commerce Standard 12th. In this video, we are going to continue the topic marketing mix. The second component of marketing mix, that is price. We have studied about the first component of marketing mix, that was product. Now, let's study price, that is second component of marketing mix in detail. So, let's study the meaning of price. Let's read. Price is very important for both the buyers and the sellers in the market. So, price is very important for the buyers to sell the product and for the sellers to purchase the product. It is very important that both the parties should be aware of seller should make aware buyers about the price of the product, and to decide the price it has a process. The price is decided after all the costs are added in that plus profit margin. So price is decided after cost plus profit, like production cost, advertisement cost, all such costs are added and plus profit margin is added to decide the price. And we all have studied somewhere that demand for a product is inversely related to the price of that product. That means when the price of the product rises, demand falls, and when the price falls, demand rises. So it is inversely related. If price rises, demand will be less, and if price falls, the demand will be more for that product. So price determination process of any business unit determines the market situation. A firm's income and profit depends on the price of the product. Every firm has to fix reasonable price for the product. So we can say that price refers to the value paid by consumer for the physical and economic satisfaction received from the product. Even social and psychological satisfaction is must. Price is the economic value of a product which is generally in the form of money, which is generally received in the form of money. So, price is the value paid by consumer for physical satisfaction received from the product, or economic satisfaction received from the product, social and psychological satisfaction received from the product. Now, let's have a look on factors affecting pricing. So these are the factors affecting pricing. There are 7 factors which can affect price. First, production cost. Second, demand for the product. Third, competition in the market. Fourth, governmental and legal controls. Fifth, price determination on the basis of objectives. Sixth, economic condition. Seventh, buying behavior. So let's understand one by one. First is production cost. Production cost is the very important aspect in price deciding or price determination. Production cost includes the expenses like raw material cost, production cost, administrative cost, sales and distribution expense. So while deciding the price of the product, all such costs are considered. And when a new product is launched in the market, all such expenses are incurred, and many other same kind of expenses can be incurred, and all such expenses are added in the selling price of the product, and no price can be fixed lesser than the cost of production. Second is demand for the product. We all know that demand and the price are inversely related to each other. If demand of the product is high, price can be kept high. But if the demand of the product is very less, price is to be kept low. So demand is affected by factors like consumers' taste, preference, number of consumers, their purchasing power, and the number of competitors in the market. All these things or factors affect the demand of the product. So, if there are more competitors in the market for that same product, price is kept according to the other competitors or very reasonable rate. But if there are no more competitors or very less competitors, then price can be kept high and more profit can be earned. So, price is decided seeing the demand of the product. If it is high, the price can be kept high. If it is low, the price can be kept low. Third is competition in the market. High competition for the product affects the price directly. Each and every producers have to determine the price considering the competitors in the market. If the competitors are more and competition is high, price is fixed accordingly at the reasonable price so that that product can enter the market and beat other competitors. So if there are more competitors in the market, so there will be very difficult to make the product entry in the market, or there are chances also that the product can expel from the market. That means it can be removed from the market as other similar products are available in the market. So if there are more competitors, price is decided accordingly and reasonable. But if the prestige of the firm is high, that means if the goodwill of the firm is very good in the market, it can charge more price from the consumers than that of competitors. Fourth point, governmental and legal controls. While deciding the price, such factors are also considered: governmental and legal controls. Those business or those firms which enjoy the monopoly in the market, that means there are no competitors against that firm. Monopoly means there are no competitors against that firm or producer. So those company or the firms which enjoy monopoly usually charge the high price of the product, and government imposes controls on such business unit to protect the interest of people. As price of many products of such monopoly firms are highly fluctuating, and therefore number of legal controls are being imposed by the government. So these are the factors that have to be considered while determining product price. Government imposes control on the product which are essential for life, like petrol, diesel, paper for daily newspaper, life-saving drugs, etc. Fifth point, price determination on the basis of objectives. So, price is decided on the basis of three objectives. First is maximum profit. This maximum profit objective is aimed only when there is monopoly in the existence, or only when there is a monopoly for such firms. For that, price is kept high as heavy expenses have been incurred in research. Second objective for deciding it is that to acquire dominant position in the market. So many times it happens that producer want to acquire dominant place in the market. For that, price is to be kept very low to attract the consumers. Third is to sustain competition. When there are more competitors in the market or competition is high, then business firms are ready to fix the lower prices or the prices at par with that of its competitors. So there are the three objectives: maximum profit, second to acquire dominant position in the market, third to sustain competition. Sixth point, economic condition. Seeing the current economic condition of the country, the present economic condition of the country, price is decided. If the economic condition of the country is good, price can be kept higher. But if there is a recession period going on, the product price is automatically reduced. Seventh is buying behavior. Buying behavior is considered while determining the price of the product, as consumers' behavior plays an important role in that. Factors that determining consumers' behavior includes consumers' habits, social, cultural, individual, personal and economic condition. Due to these factors, the attitude towards the product may change, and ultimately product do not get the desired or expected response from the consumers. That means due to all such factors, consumers can have a different attitude towards the buying of that product. That makes buying behavior, that is called buying behavior. So many times it happens that product do not get the expected response from the consumers. So it is desirable to determine the price of the product after considering all such factors. So here we have completed the second component, that is price, and we have also studied about the factors affecting pricing. So go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.